Hi, please. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn on eye protection in Windows 10. First, we go to the right bottom of your PC and then click on this icon. After that, here we will click on Nightlight. And now, you can see my screen stand into a little yellow color. And then, here you can easily increase or decrease the brightness of your PC for your eye protection. And then, close the window. Come to the home screen, and then click on Graphic Properties. Click on Display. Then click on Colors. And now, here you can easily change the brightness, contrast, and gamma effects on your PC screen. You can easily change these things in Windows 10. That was the way to turn on eye protection in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more.